Have you ever gazed out at the vast expanse of the ocean and wondered what secrets lie beneath the surface? The ocean is a mysterious and magical place full of hidden wonders that are still waiting to be discovered. In this journey, we'll delve into some of the most fascinating ocean mysteries that will leave you awestruck and eager to learn more. The Great Blue Hole, a submarine enigma. Imagine a massive underwater sinkhole over 3 kilometers deep and 3 kilometers wide, hidden beneath the waves of the Caribbean Sea. The Great Blue Hole is one of the most incredible natural wonders of the ocean, and scientists are still trying to unravel its secrets. How did this enormous hole form, and what lies within its depths? Researchers believe it may have been created by the collapse of a limestone cave system, but the truth remains a mystery waiting to be solved. The bloop, a mysterious sound in the dark. In 1965, a team of scientists detected a strange, low-frequency sound in the Pacific Ocean, nicknamed the bloop. This eerie sound was louder than any known earthly sound, and it was so powerful that it was picked up by sensors over 10 miles away. But what could have caused this massive sound? Was it a whale, a volcano, or something even more extraordinary? The mystery of the bloop remains unsolved, leaving us to wonder what secrets the ocean is hiding. The bioluminescent forest, a glowing underwater world. Imagine walking through a forest filled with glowing trees, their branches and leaves shining like stars in the darkness. This magical world exists in the ocean where certain creatures have developed the ability to produce their own light. Bioluminescent organisms such as jellyfish and plankton light up the darkness, creating an ethereal landscape that's both breathtaking and mysterious. But how do these creatures produce light, and what's the purpose behind this incredible ability? The ocean's twilight zone, a realm of the unknown. The ocean's twilight zone, also known as the Mesopelagic zone, is a vast, unexplored region that stretches from Truvazar to San Felice meters below the surface. Here, the sunlight is too weak to support photosynthesis and the pressure is extreme. It's a realm of the unknown, where scientists have discovered strange creatures that defy explanation. The Twilight Zone is a treasure trove of ocean mysteries, and researchers are working tirelessly to uncover its secrets, unraveling the ocean's mysteries. As we continue to explore the ocean, we are constantly reminded of its vastness and complexity. The ocean is a mysterious and wondrous place, full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. By studying the ocean's mysteries, we can gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Who knows what other secrets lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered by curious minds and intrepid explorers. In conclusion, the ocean is a vast, enchanting world that's full of mysteries and wonders. By exploring these ocean enigmas, we can deepen our appreciation for the natural world and inspire a new generation of scientists, explorers, and conservationists. So let's continue to unravel the ocean's secrets, one mystery at a time.